Hello, this is Priyank. If you feel your computer is getting slower, then you can do either of these two upgrades. First is to upgrade your existing CPU with newer and faster CPU. Second is to change your primary traditional hard drive with much faster SSDs. In this video, we are going to do the first thing. The whole process can be divided in two parts: search regarding compatible CPU and installation part. You can directly watch the second part, link is in the description. First, try to find model and manufacturer of your existing motherboard. You can often find these details on motherboard or use some softwares like CPUZ. These companies often give details of supported CPUs and socket type. Now you should search the same motherboard on manufacturer's site. For example, this motherboard supports LGA775 because it is very old motherboard. Now just search for specific CPU which supports the same socket type. In my case, I found Core 2 E7500. After knowing supported CPUs and socket type, you just need to search for performance comparison between your existing and new CPU to see ideal performance gain. Link for installation part is in the description. Thanks for watching.